Hello Marion, my name is Eddie with LionNet Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I know when I gave you a call you expressed that you were a little burnt out on marketing and SEO, so I quickly want to make you this video to hopefully help you out in that aspect and clarify a few things, just so you can start ranking a little better on Google. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So the way Google works and the way Google bots work is your main page should at least have 1,500 words for their bots to be able to go through all that word count and start helping you rank a little better in Google. To find this word count, I actually use a free tool called SEO Quick. I can hit page info on this free tool, and it brings me over to your guys' webpage, and I can see you guys have about 514 words. Now, when I look at your guys' top competitor, or one of your top competitors, I can do the exact same thing, SEO Quick. I can hit page info. I can say they have about 1,000 words. So they're doing a little better than you, but I could see that adding in just about 1,000 more words will actually start helping you rank a little more on Google and hopefully start driving you more towards the first page of Google. The next thing I want to go over is probably the second most important thing, and this is the visible section of Google. And when we talk about this, I call this the Google Map Pack, or the maps. And on these results, we can see the business name, address, and phone number, aka maps. So when I hit landscaping Austin, Texas, and I scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack. And in order to actually start ranking Google Map Packs, we actually need citations. Now, how do you get citations? Well, we actually use an application called WhiteSparks. And WhiteSparks will actually tell me that you guys have about 4 citations on your main website. And when I look over at your guys' competitors, they have about 18 plus citations on their main webpage. So in order to start ranking a little more on Google, you would actually need to submit these citations into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, EX, and City Star, so on and so on. The more citations you have, the better you'll start ranking on Google Maps. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is probably the most important thing I want to cover, and we call this thing that basically gives your site authority, backlinks, or link juice. And you can see when we search up landscaping Austin, Texas, your site isn't the #1 site. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to beat out your competition in every aspect. This link juice, or backlinks, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which is giving Site B authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have Austin native landscaping linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking to you, because hey, you don't sink pizzas for a living. Now, in order to get these backlinks, we actually use another application called Ahrefs, and when we put your website in, we can see that you guys have about 89 referring domains, which is giving you about 203 backlinks, which is an amazing start. You guys are in a really good spot. But if I put in your guys' competitor, I can see that they have about 158 referring domains, which is giving them 940 backlinks. Now, the beauty of Ahrefs is we can actually hit referring domains, and we can actually go after every single one of these backlinks or referring domains and put them up on your own webpage for you to start ranking better in Google. So once again, content, you guys need about 1,500 words to start ranking better in Google. Not only that, you want to put keywords that people are searching for in that 1,500 words, and you can optimize your webpage and images. So what I'm talking about is when you save an image, you can actually put that as a keyword that people are searching for. That way, when the Google bots are looking through your webpage, they don't see an image like we do. They just see the name behind it. So you can optimize that and start ranking a little better on Google. Citations, you guys would need at least 200 to 300 of these to start beating out your competition by a landslide. And last but not least, link juice. You need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority. And honestly, if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I hope this video helped you, and I'm hoping these 3 things will start helping you, motivate you to start ranking a little better on Google, and to change a few things. That way Google will see you and be like, hey, I know who these guys are, let's start ranking them a little better. But if you do have any questions and or want any clarification, My name is Eddy with Lionette Solutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. Once again, my number is 512-823-0370. I would love to chat and or clarify anything that I've talked about in this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.